So for the blueberry pancakes, we're going to need 1.5 cups of jumbo oats, 1.5 cups of plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk, 1 large banana, and a handful of blueberries. To our blender cup, we're just going to add everything in except for the blueberries and give that a good whiz. Transfer that into a bowl, and on a non-stick pan, we're just going to fry those. Now you may be wondering why the pan looks dirty. This is like the 7th pancake I've made in a row on this. It's just the one that I got the best shot on, so don't panic. So let it sit before you touch it or attempt to flip it over. And the key to getting these just right, if you take a bite out of it straight away, it may feel a bit mushy, so you need to give them a few minutes to rest, and then they're ready to go. And these are absolutely delicious. I've poured on there some golden syrup, and that's it, folks. Very, very easy. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. And also, if you've got any requests, recommendations, anything like that, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Love you all. Ciao for now. See you on the next one.